Hello everyone, my name is Simplybriannab and welcome to my channel. If you are subscribed to my channel, then welcome back to my channel, and if you're not, then definitely subscribe. And just before I start this video, I'm just gonna tell you guys my Instagram off the bat, because this is about taking pictures, and you know, I have some examples of locations on my Instagram. So my Instagram is at Simplybriannab. Very simple. Simplybriannab on Instagram and Pinterest, by the way, if you guys do indulge in Pinterest. Today I will be telling you guys some of my, how do I put it? It's basically telling you guys good locations for quality pictures. So let's get started. I'm going to just scooch over so y'all can see the examples that I put up for every location. So the first location is parking structures. Now, this is a very interesting location to me. Like, I feel like when you're wearing like those racer outfits, or you want to, you know, pose in front of the car, or just, you know, get a different type of picture, that's what parking structures are good for. Because like cars park in a parking structure, so like if you're wearing a racing outfit, that's like perfect. The next one is hotel lobbies, and I said this one because it just looks more elegant. And I see a lot of the Instagram models, one being Delicious from Flavor of Love. I follow her, and she does a lot of traveling, so she does a lot of videos and, you know, pictures and stuff in her hotel lobbies. And that's how I got this idea, because I'm like, even if you aren't traveling or whatever, you can still, well, I haven't tried this yet, but I plan to. And I feel like you could just go to a hotel lobby and, you know, you might have to talk to the front desk people or whatever and say, hey, you know, I'm just taking a couple of pictures from my Instagram page, if you guys don't mind. They shouldn't mind, because it's like, it's just taking pictures. But if you don't want to ask them, then you really don't have to, because how are they supposed to know that you really staying there or not? I think that's a good idea, a good location for pictures, because it just looks more elegant and looks classy. It looks like you're traveling. It looks like you're doing something. This is one that like everybody already knows, everybody has done, everybody has taken a picture outside. And I had to put it on the list, you know, because it's just an idea, but outside pictures are great natural lighting. You get great natural lighting, especially if it's in the daytime. Well, only if it's in the daytime. You get great natural lighting. Like, nature itself is beautiful. So I've taken a couple of my pictures like in front of the lake outside of my apartment, or like just, you know, just outside. I just think that outside pictures give you the best lighting, and you can't go wrong with that. So if you find like a cute wall, or yeah, like a cute wall in a cute color like yellow, or, you know, if it has a mural or a painting in front of it, I think that that's a really good location. Because for one, if you're wearing a certain color and that color goes with your outfit, then that accentuates you in your picture, period. It's easy to find walls if you're just like, I live in Detroit, so it's a lot of locations downtown where you can find just random walls with paintings and, you know, stuff like that on it. So if you live in a major city, or in a city with a downtown, then I'm pretty sure you're gonna be able to find an interesting wall to pose in front of. Okay, so this one is, I'm just gonna let it keep going. I hope that ain't my car. Hold on. Right in the middle of filming a video, and y'all don't know that y'all car is going off. 80 million minutes later, they shut off the dang on alarm. The bathroom is a classic location. Everybody's taken a bathroom pic before. Like, usually people would think that bathroom pics are like not, you know what I'm trying to say. I think that you can take a really good, like, I've seen them on Instagram. Corinne, she takes wonderful pictures in general, but specifically I've seen her take good mirror pics, and she is goals. Yeah, a good bathroom pic, a good mirror picture in the bathroom is doable. And this leads me to the bedroom, and this is, I would only say bedroom pictures if you're doing like a boudoir shoot, or if you're in front of a mirror again. Like, I love the I see so many pictures on Pinterest, and they have, you know, girls sitting in front of the mirror in the bedroom, and it's just so cute, like, because you can see, like, if your bedroom is clean, you can see, you know, the cute decor in the background, and then you got your cute outfit on in the front. Like, it's awesome. This is an easy one. In front of your car. In front of the car, or like sitting in the back seat or sitting in the front seat. Those are good ideas. That's a pretty easy one. Like, if you just want to spice up your pictures, if you don't have anywhere to go, or you don't have a location in mind at the time, that's a good one. Restaurants, like this location I think is one of my favorites. I had yet to like take a good Instagram restaurant picture, but on Pinterest again, I see a lot of pictures of girls in the restaurants, and they got their cute food, and they got their makeup on, and their cute outfits. I love it. They're so cute. It makes you look like you're doing something. It makes you look interesting. And the goal with most people's Instagram is to make people interested in you, to make people interested as to what you're doing in your life. And stemming from restaurants, specifically a good type of restaurant to take a picture at or do a photo shoot at is a diner. I love diner pictures because it's just like, I don't know how to explain half the reasons why I like this stuff, but I just do like it. You know how you just like how something looks? That's how I feel. Cause it's just like, you just gotta feel it. Like everybody doesn't take pictures at diners because everybody doesn't know where diners are. So it's just like interesting, like, oh, they're in a diner. The infamous gas station pictures. But that's not really what I had in mind when I put that on the list. I mean, I guess that is that's a good idea for pictures. You see the Instagram chicks pumping the gas and stuff like that. I'm not really interested in taking those type of pictures, but I guess I would, just because. But what I mean is like in a liquor store or a gas station, like actually inside of the building. And it's like, you can't just, I don't mean like with an iPhone. I mean like half these pictures, I mean like professional cameras, like actual photo shoots. Yeah, I like the liquor store idea. The beach is one of my favorite locations to take pictures at. I know it's outside, I know, but it's different. Or a pool. Again, with the natural lighting, you get natural lighting if you're at the beach or at a pool because you're outside. I love the pictures where, you know, you're coming out of the pool and your hair is wet and the water is falling off of you and all of that stuff. I love those pictures. One picture that comes to mind is he's a photographer, but he takes phenomenal pictures, and I want to work with him one day. But he did a model he shot a model and she was like in the pool and stuff, and it was just so cute. Okay, so I'm gonna just put these together. Balcony, porch / stairs. That is another location. I recently just took some stair photos and they came out pretty nice, if I do say so myself. That was corny. Blessing Geraldo from the movie Step. I follow her on Instagram. If you don't, you should, because her pictures are amazing. I think that's where I got the idea from. Also balconies, like if you're at a hotel room, or personally I have a balcony outside of my apartment, so it's just an easy thing. I've seen Aaliyah J take a good balcony picture. This one is fun because it makes your pictures look so interesting with all of the background, all of the games, and all of the lights and the different colors and everything going on. Like at the arcade, a lot of people don't think to take, do photo shoots at the arcade or whatever, but it's pleasing to the eye because you got a lot going on, but you can make it whatever you want at the amusement park or at a fair. And I just recently did that too. The same day that I did the stairs, I did the amusement park, the fair pictures. I like these at night. I would prefer amusement park pictures at night because it reminds you of the arcade. It reminds you of all of the lights and all of the colors, all of the games, all of the stuff going on. But I guess it would work in the daytime as well. I don't think I've ever seen a good picture in the daytime at an amusement park, but I guess it would be easy because it's the daytime, so you have natural light and you wouldn't need a flash. Yeah, I think it looks better at nighttime though. So that's pretty much it. Okay, I can scooch back now. Scoot back in the middle. Okay, so that is it for my list of good locations for photography. If you have any other ideas for locations, please put them in the comment section, because I myself personally I'm always looking for ideas for location ideas, for inspiration, everything. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video.